Ubalde official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected. Hello everyone. Today we are going to study how uninstall XAMPP or DBMS software called XAMPP control. We are going to uninstall it. Yes, let's start. So you navigate on your control panel, open control panel, yes, open control panel, and then click on program files on uninstall, yes, program, find XAMPP, yes, on the last one, this one, right click. After I click on uninstall or change, yes, wait a moment. Yes, it take like sometimes to uninstall it. You have to check also if it is in the uninstalling progress by press Ctrl Shift Escape and open Task Manager to see if yes, you see here the the uninstalled progress here. This is yes. They asked us, do you want to uninstall XAMPP and all its modules? Yes. You click yes. Yes. Remove also. Remove C folder. Yes. But before we must back up our databases on XAMPP, and find MySQL and put somewhere. Yes, this is our databases. Our database are here. Yes, those are our databases. And after backing up, yes, now we should click on yes, remove. Yeah, but while we're waiting, also if you forgotten to uninstall something, it would also come in htdocs or already done, gone. We have been lost it, no problem. You wait a moment until it finishes be uninstalled. Okay, you see our XAMPP is continuing to be uninstalled. You see we reached on the 41 minutes without starting to uninstall. What should you do now? You close everything, yes? Close everything. Would use this one and right click and task on uninstall. So you leave everything, yes? You leave everything and close. You're coming your this PC, yes? You come on this PC and click on local disk C. After local disk C, you come on XAMPP folder, right click and then click on show more, then select delete, yes, delete here, then wait to delete this folder. This is where your XAMPP is installed, because many people they uninstall XAMPP, but also when they finished they still see this folder. You see, they told us this action can't be completed because the folder or file unit is open in another program. Close the folder or file and try again. Yes, here what you do here, first of all, you restart your computer. Okay, after restarting your computer again, open your file explorer, local disk C, and click on XAMPP, right click, then click on again delete button, then wait a moment, but also some people they stuck here, also they continue to tell them please close. Yes, they ask you you will need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. Yes, as we see, you need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. Yeah, we click on continue and provide administrator permission. Yes, wait until our XAMPP continue to be uninstalled. You see the progress here on the 49% to complete deletion or to moving it on recycle bin. Here to wait. Wow, XAMPP completely deleted, but it is not completely deleted because there is something which is continue to be available. But here what you do now, you click on recycle bin, you should open it and then select it completely, delete it. But also you should click on, you should come here and delete all these things in order to make sure full complete and installed. Yes, as you see here, this is our XAMPP. You should also completely delete permanently, and wait until the 100%. Yes, because many people they stuck at uninstall XAMPP, even Oracle database. Many people they stuck to how to uninstall it, but the process can help you to full uninstall. But here when you start XAMPP, you should click on XAMPP control. They told you this is it is shortcut, not XAMPP. Yes, XAMPP. You can also click here on XAMPP folder. You click here program files and also click delete. Now XAMPP successfully deleted from our computer. Deleted from our computer. Yes, yeah, wow. If this video helped you, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Ubalde Official. I will teach you what the other can't teach you. Education, tech, and jobs all in your hands. Bye bye. God bless you.